MULN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm just looking at Mullen Automotive, yeah, the price is melting for sure, although it went up 4% or whatever. When I'm looking at this from this perspective, I'm aware that it was some type of gap, you know, at some point of the day it was 75-71 cent, so that's that. But now it's normally still almost about to clear and make new all-time lows. You know, that's Mullen. And I've not only have I had so many receipts on Mullen, not just recently, but I'm also saying, you know, like 2023. But yeah, unless I see the price starting to kind of pick up a little bit and then shows me that shift, me selling is just, again, not going to be the way, not going to be an option. So I'm also just stay away. You know, I always want to kind of bet on the long side, but right now it's not it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description. That is free vodka, free sauce.